got their breaks in the 1930s and 40s. Guys like Frankenstein's monster, Wolfman, and Dracula crawled these streets. Their movie monster heyday.
Maybe it was what we think of monsters.
Dracula, Frankenstein, Wolfman, Bride of Frankenstein,
The Mummy,
Hunchback of Notre Dame,
The Invisible Man,
Phantom of the Opera.
classic films. They're just brilliantly made.
That Frankenstein image,
Flathead.
it's one of the great icons of the world.
That to me was like the essence of the Universal Ball. I was just mesmerized by it. Boris Karloff, Lon Chaney.
I remember the original Universal Studios Mummy movie, really scary.
They still ring in our memories now. And we love them.
Yes, indeed we do. Now, as we get to the far side of Europe, things will start to get a bit more modern. It's coming up on our left. We have an outdoor stage, a fence, and then a lovely ranch album. This is all part of the setup for the Hallmark Channel show Home and Family, by Mark Stein.